なのにもう楽しく乗ってます。みんなからこうサムズアップとお気に入りのサインが結構いただいているので楽しいです。軽トラホンダアクティブは人気ですね。みんなにこの人も見て録画しているのかな、ケビンのところに着きました。ここです。ターン5ファブリケーションです。バーンオールスティンなんで自分の貸し倉庫と同じ、街ですね。いつも面白い車、この前シルビアは5、6台、そして他にも道がボロボロ、あらなんかいろいろある。シェリカがいたんだ。まだこの間いたシェリカ、そしてシルビアと、あとは何があるのかな、こういうトレーラー、かっこいいトラック、キャンピングだよねこれは。まさかデリカか、うそ、かっけーかっけー。この人の車なの。 Is that your Delica?
Hey man, what's up?
Dude, I'm Steve. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Steve. This is my son Asher.
Asher, how are you, man? Is that your guy's Delica?
Yes, sir.
No way. Can I check it out?
Yeah, let's go check it
Oh,
out.
thank you, man. Thank you.すんごい派遣じゃない、偶然な派遣なんで、すごいフレンドリーな親子で、お父さんで息子もう一人はいるらしいんだけど、アッシャー君がいくつなんだろうね。これね、三菱デリカ2台持ってるそうなんで、これからちょっと、乗ってインタビューさせてもらおうかな。すごいラッキーだな。こういう風に車でつなぐことがいいよね。友達できたと思います。Like being on a bullet train in Japan, huh? So nice. Look at that. Very cool. Meeting time, huh?
Oh yeah.
Lunchtime, meeting time. That is awesome. So cool. 失礼します。Hey man, thank you for this opportunity.
Oh, dude, it's
I
awesome.
appreciate it. Oh, you got everything is so Japanese in here. You've got it's right out of Japan.
It's got the freaking flares.
You got the nice mats. You've got look at the compass and look at the altimeter, right?
It's got an altimeter and
Yep,
an inclinometer,
altimeter.
right?
That is fantastic.
And then of course I've had to learn how to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm not very good at it.
Thank you for letting me drive in your Delica with
Oh
you.
man, look, we love to show it to people. 'Cause
Yes.
We've had a whole lot of fun with this as a family. And
Yeah.
they're fun to drive, and we like other people to see them too.
So let me ask you, what is it? You told me you have actually 2 Delicas.
I've got 2 made within a month of each other.
Why
93.
the Delica? What was it about the Delica that you went after when you decided to import a car from Japan?
So definitely wanted the 4x4 van and started researching it.
Yeah.
I had been in the Delicas in Africa.
Okay.
In the Congo.
Oh.
And if it'll roll in the Congo, it'll go anywhere.
Oh yeah. It looks like at least this one. I don't know what your other one is like, but this one is extremely clean. The dash, everything, the seats, the exterior. Kevin just did a beautiful push bar or grill guard on it, right?
Yeah, we've got this brush guard on the front.
Yeah.
That's not OEM. I got that from Japanese Yahoo auction.
Okay.
When I finally got it, I realized it wasn't a perfect fit. I needed some metal fab work.
Right.
I had a lot of great recommendations for Kevin at Turn 5.
Oh, yeah.
He actually he didn't just put on a brush guard. If you look, there's a Joust skid plate up
I
under
saw
there.
that skid plate up
I've
under
been
there.
looking for a Joust skid plate for over a year, and I
Yeah.
finally got it on Japanese auction.
Nice. Oh man, the mirrors. I got to show everyone, point out the mirrors. A lot of people don't understand how Japanese use mirrors
And the
how
sight
tight,
lines.
And the sight lines, exactly. The sight lines.
I'm spoiled now, Steve.
Yep.
When I'm driving this thing and then I get in another vehicle,
Yep.
I can see everything, and it's
Yep.
not just the cab over.
Yep.
That's one thing the Japanese care about. They want you to see everything.
Yeah.
And I've not been in another vehicle that can perform like this on just sight lines.
Can you do something for me right up here at this little corner?
Whatever you
Show
want.
people how this thing can turn.
Oh yeah.
So let's show people what this. If you don't know, Japanese watching this are gonna know. But I mean, I've just got to show people what this can do. Here we are in a tight little corner cul-de-sac here, and this thing is turning. I've almost got to get out and have you
Yeah,
do
I
that
mean,
because it looks so good. U ターンをちょっと見せてもらおうと考えてるんで、かっこいい。日本の車はすごいんだよな。かっこいいよ。Look at that。どんな狭いところでもこの大きいトラックが多分もう全開なのかな。素晴らしい。素晴らしいね。That is just fantastic, man. And it looks so good doing it too. Wow. Chad, I noticed something down here before too. You're the OG, the Japanese road flare, right?
Yeah, the road flare. As far as I know, that's original.
May I?
Yeah, go ahead, take it on out.
有効年間97年2月で、終わりました。Well, it expired in 1997 of February, so
I've
it
always
probably
assumed
isn't going to work.
I cannot count on it. Yeah, but
But-
it's sweet to have.
This is the from Nippon Karbito Kabushi Aisha. Yeah, this was made. This is the original one. This was made in 1993 March. What year is your truck?
It's this one's actually a June of '93.
Okay, well, look, it had a 4-year expiration on its thing, so we're gonna keep it. That is a beautiful piece. Let's get it right back to where it belongs. Safe and sound there. These things people got to pay attention to. Look at it to get in, how it's thought of and how big it is. Look at this here. The little, what do you call these?
I call them hang-ons, but
We used to call them sissy bars,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Didn't they call them something like that?
sissy bars. Is what some
Used
people
to have them up here on old American cars, but right here to hold on to when you're getting a little off-road. すごいものがありますよね。これをよく見るともう時代のところでこのゲートアンロックっていうのはまたすごいよな。知らせてくれる。後ろが開いてますよということなんだよね。いろんなこうランプがある中で燃料が入ってないそうなんだけど、これがかっこいいよね。ここスロットルケーブル。これを引っ張ることに You pull this, right?
Yeah.
You pull that and it brings the idle up on it and pull.
Take it out while you're starting it and get a little more gas without having to push down on the gas.
かっこいいよ。この辺りもすごいし、やっぱりこう進んでたよね。三菱の車もrear fan. This is a rear fan, so for you to stay cool back there.
You turn on the air conditioning in the back.
That is awesome. The gate lock unlock. So I imagine locking that. Oh yes.
Yeah, now it's locked.
The gate unlock and gate unlock. So cool. I gotta hear the horn.
Oh yeah.
Dude, that's a cool
I
horn,
had to
huh?
rebuild that horn.
I love I love that horn. The overdrive, the big shifter. It's so I lived in Japan in the 90s, and I gotta tell you, I'm flashing back to all of this. 後ろに触らせてもらってるんだけど、日本語で何と書いてあるのかって教えてもらいたいということなんで、フラット時の注意事項、急ブレーキをかけた時と危険ですから、運転中は、フラットシートの状態で、乗車しないでください。So don't lay down, okay, in the back fully flat if you have a blowout.
Yes, sir.
Just so you know when the blowout's coming, don't be flat.
Done.
Okay, or you're gonna fly out of
Done.
the truck somewhere. That's number one. Number two, 回転シート操作上の注意。シートは、調節ロック位置以外で使用しないでください。走行中シートは前後にスライドさせたり回転させたりしないでください。The lower sticker here is talking about your revolving seats and how to use them. It's talking about how to release the seats. It's also saying not to operate them while you're operating the vehiel. I love these lights, man. The big, like the big cafe or whatever you call them type of lights. It's
I like that too.
Bus lights. That is awesome. おしゃれだな。本当に三菱は初めてなんでかっこいいです。気に入りました。日本のメーカーさん本当にもうフロアマットにはどこにも負けてないですよね。おしゃれです。これも純正だそうなんだけど、本当によくできた生地とよりもマットが本当に高級感がある。アメリカのメーカーはこういう高級ものは使ってないです。Hey Asher,
Yes,
I gotta ask you a couple questions. How old are you?
I'm 14.
You're 14. And Japanese cars, did the passion for like these delicas come from your dad?
Oh yeah, of course. My dad bought them, and I've always loved them, and I've loved doing maintenance and stuff with them. Learned a lot about cars.
Are you getting your hands dirty on this car? With this? Are you
Yeah,
learning?
We change the oil. We do basically all the maintenance on here.
Really, all by yourself. So you're learning how to, I mean, you opened up the engine compartment before. I was impressed. You knew how to turn the seats around back here. You're learning this vehicle inside and out, huh? Hands on.
Yes, sir.
That is fantastic, man.
That's actually part of what's important to Steve is
Yeah.
Asher's learning to turn a wrench on this thing.
That's great.
He and his brother, he's got a brother, Primo.
Yep.
They're both doing, oil filter, air filter,
Nice.
fuel filter,
Nice.
oil change.
Yes.
They've helped me with some electrical work. They've learned to solder on this thing.
That's fantastic.
And so it's just been fun for us to get to do together. I'm not a great mechanic.
Mm-hmm.
I know what I'm doing, but being able to pass that along to them, you don't
Absolutely.
learn that on some of these new cars.
You can't learn it.
But on these, you've
have
got
to
to be
learn
able
it.
to turn a wrench.
That's right.
He's actually a pretty talented little mechanic. Have you enjoyed it, Asher?
Yes, sir. I have.
Hey, Asher, what do you want to do after you graduate school? What are your plans? Do you think if you have to think of the future?
Well, I don't quite know yet. I mean, I'm only a freshman in high school, so
Yeah.
I'm gonna, feel out some waters. Just play it by ear.
Can I tell you a little example? I want to share with you something. You haven't met my son, but I call him the kid. He's just the kid. His name's Alex, though, and he's 21 years old.
Hey, Alex.
You remind me a little bit of him.
Oh,
You
yeah.
try hard, right? You
Yes,
work
sir.
hard, you try hard. I see that. My son, too, he does it. He's not the smartest kid in the class, but he works hard. What you're learning, though, what your dad's sharing with you is stuff that's for the rest of your life, no matter what you do, is great stuff. And you can always fall back. Knowing how to use your hands for something is a super important skill, so that's great, man. Proud of
Sure,
you.
man.
Really, really good.
And we just believe in learning how to solve problems yourself instead
Yep.
of paying somebody to do all of them.
I love it.
Granted, sometimes you need to pay somebody like Kevin, who's got tools and skills you
course.
don't have.
Of course.
But there's a lot you can just learn.
There's a lot you can learn
and
if you try to.
that's what we're doing together on this.
That is awesome, man. I love it. I moved to Texas about 7-8 months ago, and I have a lot of JDM cars.
Welcome
I was
to
telling you.
Texas, Steve.
Thank you.
We have a saying here, Texas forever, so now you can say it too.
Texas forever, and I feel like I'm a Texan. Really, I do, and I'm proud to be part of Texas, and really love it here. The car community's welcomed me. I've met so many people like yourself with different types of vehicles that I think Japanese who watch my channel a lot are just going to be surprised to see. I just stumbled across the delicate, beautiful as this is
so
here.
this is being seen back in Japan. I just want to say, we love how you guys design cars. Your aesthetic, just the way you do it, the care you put into it, it's awfully fun for us to get your second helpings. Thanks a lot.
There you go. Hey, で日本人の方がそれを聞いて本当に褒められる。もう日本車大好きな人が多くて、こっちに持ってきて日本から消える車が多いと思うんだけど、それで心配される方も多いと思うんですが、好きだからこっちに持ってくる。もうずっと維持するからここに持ってる。この方が三菱ファンなんで、多分ずっと綺麗に所有していると思います。
We get these out in the Texas dove fields and use them for hunting, 4x4, but this is also my daily driver. I drive this to
There
the
you go.
business that I go run every
I love
day,
it.
and that's fun too. And
I love
when
it.
Asher turns 16,
Yep.
he gets the keys and he's going to
Woo!
drive it.
Asher! Nice, man. 2 years from now, it's all yours, baby.
Yes, sir.
I listen, I feel honored I met you. I thank Kevin for the opportunity because, if I wasn't here at Kevin's, I wouldn't have gotten to meet you. I truly believe things happen for a reason, so I feel like I made new friends, and I hope you guys can come bring this thing out on a weekend to some of the events that I go to, and let's hang out, man.
That'd be awesome, brother. It's really nice to meet you,
You
Steve,
got it.
and hello to everybody
Nice
out
to
there.
meet you. Ash, you gotta do one thing. Put your feet up where they belong back there, man. Let's see you stretch out. That's called big boss style right there. Nice. Awesome. Thank you guys so much. Pleasure to meet you.
Thank you.
Thumbs up. 日本式にオライしてあげようか。かっこいいよ。ディスルの音もいいし。いいね。See you guys! さよならさよならどうもまたね。サムズアップ。